Dara is scared of that. So, hello and namaste. Why are you laughing? Let me start again. Hello and namaste to everybody. I hope all of you are doing well. It's been a while since my last video, at least I think 20-25 days or maybe a month also. Been living a life which is a little real in terms of, not the social media life. My focus has not been there and it feels good actually to be off the grid for some time. So yes, I thought today I'll make this video because I'm going to a new place to do a trail run. The place name is very difficult to pronounce. So what's it called?
Roche de Tre.
Roche de
Don't say it.
Don't say
It's okay.
it. So me, Ada and Dara in the back, we are going for this. We are going for a run. What is it, bacha? What is it? What are you wearing?
Dara's belt.
What does it do?
It flies.
It flies. Well, that thing is important because when you are running, your hands can be free and Dara can be on that belt. So, what are you doing, Dara? Dara. Oh. So this is how this works. And she looks in a hurry. She pulls like a horse sometimes. So to start running from here, I don't know what to expect. But it looks like a nice place. We catch this trail now. Ooh, my goodness. Which one should we take?
Let's just go.
Let's just go. So while Dara is sitting there, I'll tell you the weather here in Normandy is very crazy. When we left our home, it was nice and sunny, and now it's cloudy and windy and might rain, it looks like. Let's see. But that's how Normandy is in winters. Now I think we are going down into the forests which we saw from the viewpoints. So it'll be nice to run in the forests. It looks beautiful from up there. Everything looks beautiful from up. Even the Mumbai traffic looks good from an airplane while you are landing or taking off. I don't know if you can see, there's a river flowing down there. That's where we are going.
I know this one, this side, but I never took that side.
So do you want to explore something new or go somewhere where you already know? New? Okay, so we came from up there. Here is the river and there we go. So because there are some people there, we have to put Dara on her leash. Not because,
Dara!
Oi, come here baby. Yeah, come here. Oi, come here. Yes, come here. Because this one Dara, for some reason, does not like kids, like human kids. If she sees human kids, she barks and scares the child. So it's good that she's on a leash. The trail has started to take us up again, away from the river down there. Let's see where this goes. None of us have any idea. So you know, Normandy does not have any big mountains around it. It's a city which is on the seaside, but there are a lot of hills and forests with a lot of small trails on it, which goes up and down, up and down, up and down. So, what are you doing? Oh, thorns. Thank you. Okay, so it has a lot of hills which goes up and down. So if somebody wants to train for climbing mountains also, it's not really a bad place. All you need is some elevation, you know, up, down, up, down. I really enjoy this, you know, it's beautiful. So, no matter how cold it is, once you start running, it's hot. Let's go down. Such beautiful houses, and this camper. I wish to own something like this in my life one day. What are you looking for?
Looking for this trail. See how many. I'm checking everything.
Yes, I'm a mountaineer who makes YouTube videos, but I have to film it when I'm filming.
Now leave me, I can't concentrate.
So we have come on a concrete road in a beautiful small town. We are not sure how far the trail ahead is, so we don't have a lot of time. So we are checking, she's checking, and if we see something around, we go ahead, or else we go back where we came from. So we go ahead. Okay. So she will always be ahead of us, will never let us go ahead. The small villages here, especially in the nature and near the mountains in France, so beautiful. The houses are of an olden style. It's nice and cozy, looks very comfortable and it's beautiful. Look at it, just rocks piled over one another. That's it. Hi Dara. All grass here. Dara does not like biting me. You biting me?
Darling.
Now what Dara was doing back there was, she does not like when me or Ada climbs things, trees or buildings or anything, because in her mind it is dangerous. And you know, Dara is a Belgian Shepherd breed, which is known to be a guardian dog, so they won't let even you harm yourself. So that's why I was coming down. She was angry at me and trying to bite me. Not in a way that would hurt me, but in a way a mother scolds her, you know, naughty kid. Just like that. Oh, it's raining now. It was cloudy when we came, sunny afterwards, and raining now. Normandy, you're crazy. This is a crazy place. But we are almost here from where we started, so that's good. Otherwise it gets very cold when you are wet here. So this was the name I was not able to pronounce. What is the place called again?
Roche d'Outre.
Roche d'Outre. I mean, the French language has a lot of. No, it's a beautiful language. I'm trying to learn it actually. After a little bit of learning, I can try again. Roche de. No, say again.
Roche d'être.
Roche de. That. I can't forget it. Sorry. So yes, we are almost here at the car parking. We ran 7 kilometers in 1 hour something minutes. It was a nice run. I really love this place, yeah. So here we are at the car from where we started. Go in, bacha. Do you want some water? Sahara, Daisy. So yes, we are heading back home now, and we'll end the vlog here because there's nothing much to show. You saw the road on the way here. So yes, here's wishing each and every one of you a very, very happy new year, and may we get what we deserve in life. Yes, thank you so much for watching this video, and I'll be back in India in I think 2 weeks time to prepare to do the last minute preparation for the upcoming 8,000 meter expedition. So which peak I'll go to, the plan has in my mind changed a little bit looking at some factors. So I will announce as things get more concrete of where I'll go. When I say concrete, I just mean that when I'm able to raise the money for it, because every year this has been a big problem, raising the funds for 8,000ers. So let's see, God willing, it will happen. So yes, thank you so much for watching this video. I'll see you guys in the next one. Until then, take care, be kind to each other, be kind to yourself, and Jai Hind, Jai Maharashtra. Thank you.